Hello guys. Hey, want to learn how to earn 30 to 50 to 80 US dollars every day and how I do it trading Bitcoin? Come, I'll show you in this video. Let's go in. Hey, welcome. So, friends, you can see that I'm on my BitMEX platform here. That's BitMEX. And what I am doing is Bitcoin is moving every day, right? Up and down. And I'm actually buying and selling in both directions. And the objective here is very simple to make anywhere from 30 to 50 US dollars per day on an average day, and about 70, 80, 100 US dollars on a good day. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I'm doing it, and I'm showing you my account where you can see how I'm actually doing this, right? So let me take you to the platform, and this is the BTC chart, right? So you can see that BTC is basically moving uh, up and down between every day, right? So if I go to a 1 hour chart, you can see that. Look, even though overall the trend has been up, you can see that it does periodically come down, goes up, right? So I'm actually taking advantage of this up and down movements, right? Including over here. All right, this is enough to do a couple of trades in a day, which gets you between 40 to 100 USD. And this Bitcoin market is open 24 hours, 365 days. So this trading can be practically done every day. Okay, so I know the amount may not be big, but there are a lot of people to whom, if they can make 30, 40 USD in a couple of hours in a day, even if they have to put 4 hours, 5 hours behind it, because you don't have to sit on this, right? Yeah, basically you need to make a trade and then come back to it after a couple of hours, and come back to it after a couple of hours, and you do your stuff in between. So it doesn't intrude into what you're doing, and it can just be done while you're doing your other work on the computer, and like I'm doing my work on the laptop all day, and within those 8 to 10 hours, 12 hours of my work, I have another screen open which shows me the chart, and a third screen where I buy and sell the trades. So basically, now let's go back to the account. You understood what I'm doing, and you see here I have about 0.0124 XBT. So 0.0124 XBT. So XBT is nothing but the notation on BitMEX for Bitcoin. So you can count it. These are Bitcoin futures, but you can just count it as Bitcoin, right? So if you do 0.0124 BTC to USD, you will see that that's about 688 USD. All right, and let's go back here. Okay, so today is the 22nd of February 2021 is when I'm making this. So I'm talking about how to make this amount of money on a daily basis in 2021. Yeah, even after the Bitcoin price is high, because uh, usually people who do not know a lot keep thinking the price is so high, I can't enter now. What else can I do? Should I look at buying some altcoins? But I'm purely that is investing, right? Buying altcoins, buying Bitcoin. I'm purely talking about trading, right? So you can trade Bitcoin and its vast movements every day, the volatility, and create some money out of there, right? And this money makes a huge amount of difference. Depends on which country you are in. All right, and so basically, that's the amount of Bitcoin you have that you can trade. And then, as you can see, I have actually purchased, and then I have this is your unrealized profit and loss. So you can see that as of today, from my today's trading, that's the profit that I made, 0.0003, yeah, which looks very small, but if you put that in here, All right, that's like 1665 USD. I stay in Singapore, so that's about 22 Sing dollars. So you can imagine if I do this 3 times a day, this is fantastic. This is quite decent income actually. Okay, I just logged in today. I didn't get time today, but usually I am doing about 2 to 4 trades a day. That's all actually, right? So I'm not doing 20, 30, 40 trades a day in here. And the first thing you should do absolutely is get started on this platform. So create an account, right? And it's free. And here is the link that you can click and you can create. Now, if you follow this link and you create your account, you actually get, you just need to put in your email ID and create an account, and then you get 10% discount on all your trades. All right. So go ahead and create your account. Once you create your account, you will get a verification email, verify that, and then you can start trading on this platform. All right. And if you are going to take action today and create an account using this link, and watch this video until the end to get how you can actually do the trading, then send me some proof that you are actually doing some trading, and I will give you what I have created as my personal retirement plan. So how can we retire based on cryptocurrency? All right. And it's simpler than you think, right? So if we actually have 300 to $400,000 in another 10, 15 years, we can comfortably retire with that kind of amount, right? So I'll send you my retirement plan for you to take a look. If it makes sense to you, copy it. It's pretty simple. It's not that hard. And I really wish that you get started into this like I am. All right. And let me now show you another very interesting thing, that once you earn this Bitcoin here, you can actually go to withdrawals, okay, and withdraw this money into your account. So I will go to withdraw, and you see this is where you go and put your Bitcoin address. So you will have a wallet, right? You need to have a Bitcoin wallet somewhere, and then you withdraw this Bitcoin to your wallet, and from there you convert it to your dollar currency into your bank, collect it into your bank, right? Transfer the dollars back to your bank. So if you are not sure about all of this, you've never done trading, you've never heard about BitMEX platform, you don't know how to even buy the first Bitcoin, or you don't know how to transfer it from your bank and all of this. What I did is I actually recorded a course which will show you, it's a couple of videos that starts you from absolute zero, and then it shows you how you can buy Bitcoin. It's very easy to buy nowadays. And then how do you move it inside here in BitMEX? How do you create an account in BitMEX? How do you put two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator so that somebody cannot steal your Bitcoin? And then after you put that in, you basically can do the trading. How you do the trade, what do you check out, how do you choose your position size, what is the leverage you choose, and then how do you buy and sell basically, right? So if you just sit for about 2 3 hours, you can just watch the entire course like a movie and finish it, and you understand everything, and you're in the game, right? Now the interesting thing about Bitcoin is this, right? You can just start with $100. You can buy Bitcoin worth $200 and get started. Okay. The only thing for you to know is that when you buy Bitcoin, don't move it a lot. So if you move it from one address to another address, every time you move, it's going to cost you 40, $50 US dollars, right? So if you have 500 worth of Bitcoin and you move it 10 times, costing you $50 each time, it'll be 500. All your Bitcoin is worth zero already, right? So don't move it. That's the tip here. And then you basically move it to BitMEX, keep trading every day, grow it, and after about 4 5 weeks, when you have a substantial amount of balance, withdraw half, continue trading, withdraw half, and that's how you basically do it, right? So every time I have $500 600 I withdraw, because then I pay $50 to withdraw, and then that's kind of worth it, right? And then every time I have about 1500 2000 in my wallet, that's when I withdraw to my bank. Okay, so the link for this course is in the description. It's just $199, so it's not expensive. However, to make it even easier, I'm putting a promo code in the description that will discount you 50%, right? So you'll just get the course for $100, and that's like is as good as free. All right. So if you're interested, check that out. In the comments, let me know how did you like about my idea that even in 2021, when the prices are sky high, we are still able to trade Bitcoin and generate this kind of income, right? So put that down in the comments to tell me how did you like the idea of generating 50 to 80, 100 US dollars a day, uh, and does this make a difference to you? Okay, so basically you put your address here. Let me complete this. Your destination address here, the amount you want to withdraw, and then you will withdraw it, right? Now, of course, before you withdraw, you will need to submit your documents in this platform to verify yourself, which is good for you because then you are verified. So somebody else cannot actually withdraw. And once you submit a withdrawal request, it sends an email to your registered email address. So your email address is super duper important, right? When you are in the Bitcoin world, because every action you do, they send you an email for confirmation. You confirm in the email, and then the withdrawal is actually done. Okay, and then that's about it, right? So that's as simple as that. So I'm going back to my trading, and you go back to your getting started with this. So you can see now it's 0.004, yeah. So this 0.001, right? Uh, this is the fantastic part. That's 5 US dollars, right? So if that is 0.003 now, that's $15. Can you see here? This is like 0.003, right? That's 15 US dollars. So in just a few minutes, you can actually buy, sell, collect 30, $40, and then wait, right? Based on this chart. But then, how do you look at this chart? What is the point you buy and sell and stuff is all in the course. And guys, it's just $100, right? So I have been teaching this course in 2017 for a course fees of 2,500 in a classroom, and then I recorded this to be available to a wider audience. And then today, I'm actually giving it away almost free, right? Very cheap. So take advantage of it, and write to me in the comments if you want me to make any other videos on the Bitcoin or some analysis, and I will, right? Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a good day.